how to change your Twitter discoverability settings, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your discoverability settings on Twitter. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up twitter.com, log into your account. This is my Twitter right here, and I'll show you how to change the settings. For that, we will have to go to More, then select Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, we have different options. We have your account, security and account access, privacy and safety, notifications, and others. So you're going to select the privacy and safety. So inside here, again, we have a bunch of other options given. We have audience and tagging, your tweets, content you see, direct messages, spaces, and right here at the bottom, we have discoverability and context. Control your discoverability settings and manage your contact you've imported. So you're going to select this option. And now we have two options given. We have let people who have your email address find you on Twitter. So if you want people to find you through your email address, then you're going to use this option. Then we have let people who have your phone number find you on Twitter. So this is the discoverability option. Decide whether people who have your email or phone number can find you on Twitter or not. So this is totally on us, how private we want to be. And if you do not want someone to find you through your email or phone number, then you're going to disable these options. You can see I have enabled this. This is like a blue tick, but you can disable this option and people will not be able to discover you through your email address or your phone number. So this is how we change these settings. And then we have manage contacts. So if you have imported any of the contacts, you can manage them from this option right here. This also contributes in your discoverability and it helps you manage your contact, options. So we have these two options in discoverability. You can go ahead and check them out. Just go to your settings, go to privacy, and then you're going to select privacy and safety and select the discoverability. And this is how you change these settings. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.